Hello.
Hi, Poochie. Good evening. This is Chanel. Poochie,
Yes.
let me call you back.
Okay, no problem.
Got that. Just coming this way. There's a good cut through the university there. I don't know if you ever get through there.
No, first time.
I got that camera. Holy I got that camera.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you have your camera? Wow.
Yeah.
Like in bed or...
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Damn, you dumb son of a...
Gotta back that car up. God. What? Oh my god.
You okay?
No.
Yeah, like literally in downtown Phoenix, you have to walk 15 minutes in between spots. Like it's
Yeah,
not
that's
right.
crazy. Like they should, and they're all here. Like,
Oh no! Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
No, that was totally their fault. They're just gonna keep.
Aggieland's Better Mix, 104.7 The Mix. Hey, it's Kevin. Looking forward to Friday. That's Lady Gaga's new album, Dashcam, coming out. And she's hosting Saturday Night Live this weekend as well, of course, as well as the musical guest.
Better stop.
Is blind. Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're
OnStar emergency.
They've had the chance to get inside your home. I love Simply Safe. Here at True Crime Garage, we've been telling people to protect your home and business for years now. I feel confident telling you that this is the most complete security system out there.
Their tax attorneys and licensed professionals specialize in powerful taxpayer assistance programs that can save you thousands if you qualify. Having resolved over $1 billion